Located right at the entrance of Embassy Manyata Business Park in North Bengaluru, the Hilton is a premium 5-star business hotel that opened in 2022. The hotel features 266 rooms and suites, multiple dining options, a swimming pool, spa, fitness center, and multiple event spaces. It is also a part of a much larger hospitality complex along with the adjoining Hilton Garden Inn, and together, the two hotels feature more than 600 rooms. The Hilton is positioned as the more premium offering compared to Hilton Garden Inn. This video is not sponsored by the hotel, and everything I share here is my honest review based on my personal experience. In this video, I'll give a complete tour of Hilton Bengaluru Embassy Manyata Business Park, including the rooms, restaurants, swimming pool, and the breakfast experience. Now let's move on to the room tour. In this video, I'll be showing the 1-bedroom suite, which comes with a spacious living room, a large king bed, and a bathtub. This suite has an impressive area of 1200 square feet and can accommodate up to 4 adults. The hotel is approximately 30 kilometers from Kempegowda International Airport, and depending on the traffic, it generally takes around 40 minutes to an hour to reach the property. The location is particularly convenient if you are visiting Bengaluru for work and need to travel to Manyata Business Park. Apart from Manyata Business Park, places such as Hebbal, Bharatiya City, and Phoenix Mall of Asia are also relatively close to the hotel. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. Also follow me on Instagram and DM me if you have any questions about this property. I'll add the link in the video description. Coming to dining, the hotel has multiple food and beverage venues. The primary restaurant is Neo Kitchen, which is the hotel's all-day dining restaurant. This is also where the breakfast buffet is served every morning. Another dining option is Neer, the hotel's specialty restaurant. Neer focuses primarily on coastal Indian cuisine and seafood, and this restaurant is open only for dinner. And finally, we have Double Up, which is located around the lobby. This is the hotel's bar and lounge where we can get cocktails, beverages, and some small plates. For lunch, I visited Neo Kitchen and decided to order from their a la carte menu. These are some of the dishes I ordered, and overall, I would rate the food a 7.5 out of 10. If guests don't want to dine at the hotel, there are plenty of restaurants and other dining options available right next to the property. Breakfast is also served at Neo Kitchen and features a fairly extensive buffet spread along with various live counters. There was a good variety of options to choose from, and most of the dishes I tried were delicious. Overall, I would rate the breakfast an 8 out of 10. Overall, I had a great and relaxing stay at Hilton. The hotel feels luxurious, the rooms and common areas have a modern and premium feel, and the hospitality from the staff was professional throughout my stay. This hotel is particularly a great option for business travelers, especially if you need to visit Embassy Manyata Business Park, considering its extremely convenient location. At the same time, I think it can also be a good option for a premium staycation if you're looking for a luxurious and modern city hotel with all the essential facilities, along with good food and comfortable rooms. If you have already stayed in Hilton, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comment section. And if you enjoy hotel reviews, luxury stays, and travel content like this, be sure to check out my other videos as well.